Shit, what the drug?
Hey, gang.
That's this young guap grabbers. Yo, we out here snatching. Guap. YGG the click. Out here smoking slips. Spliffs. Not slips. Hey. Walking fresh as fuck. Got your bitch on the top. I don't give a fuck. Then she gon' fucking flop. I don't give a fuck. Young J-Lo got the top. Then I'm up through in about fucking 5. 5 plus 5, that's 10 fucking bands. Yeah, I need that shit. I'm gon' pass it to my mans. Pedro in the back, yeah, he got the AK. Then he said, "What's up? Is you ready for today?" Aim it out the window. Aim it out the sniper. Yeah, we fucking out here shooting. Yeah, we got that sniper rifle.
Hey, sniper right on the front porch. Flavor nigga up, I turned him to a torch. You know what's up, nigga? Yeah, I carry guns. As soon as I seen one, I'm like, I'm about to have some fun. Go and hit the lick, nigga. Go hit the ground. If he don't, I bust his ass. I bet he hit the ground. You know what's up? Every day, look, bitch, I wear a crown. Like I'm a king sitting on the throne. That's how I'm getting down. Yeah, yo, bitch, she wanna fuck her. She wanna get down. I'm like, fuck it. Gotta do the crew if you gon' get down.
Yeah. YGG the click walked in. Damn. She said, "Damn, let me call my friends." I don't think I can handle these mans.
No.
Hey. That's 4-on-1 type shit. I don't think she ready. That's a train type shit. Yeah, we walked in, hit her real fucking quick. Yeah, I'm dabbing. Yeah, I'm fucking dabbing now. Now I'm in her cabinet. Yeah, I'm fucking snatching now.
Snatching her shit out. You know what's up, bitch? Over and I beat that shit out. She like, what the fuck? Damn. Can you stop now? I'm like, yeah, I just bust on your back right now. I'm a bitch, you know what's up. Every day I'm stacking dough with my G's. You got a problem, then I'm at your fucking door. Like, nigga, come outside, please don't hide. You know what's up. Every day I'm outside, yeah, I'm outside, trying to find a way to get it. Hoeing bitch niggas and calling up my G's, and we stay splitting these switches. Right here at the park, we chillin', yeah, we call it the pack. A nigga got a problem quickly, yeah, he getting smacked.
He getting smacked with the fist. Now flip my wrist, fucking flick my wrist. Kevin Gates type shit. Yeah, I'm coming through quick. In that fucking coupe, hit her in the fucking front. I'm just fucking playing, got that fucking top though.